This is the Jen K.O premix. Let me show you how to use it. The Jen K.O mix is going to be something that's going to get through what a quick detailer won't. The grease, the grime, the light to moderate water spotting, and it can be used on so many different surfaces. So I'm going to show you how easy this stuff is to use. One big thing is it's going to be really good for anyone that has hard water at their house that like to wash their car at their house, because it's going to get those pesky water spots that are left behind, and you can always use it as just a waterless wash as well. So let's spray it on some spots on this vinyl, the paint, the windows, the wheels, and underneath the engine, and you can see how well it works. One of my favorite things about this product is that it's safe on ceramic coatings. So this is going to be perfect for your ceramic coating customers, or you're somebody that has a ceramic coating. You can spray this on and it's going to clean and protect in just one step. It's as easy as that, and that is it. If you'd like to purchase this, you can get it at igocoatingsusa.com or your local IGL distributor or detailer, or you can get it at igocoatingscanada.com. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me personally at jturcotte at iglcoatingsusa.com. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.